Good morning, children. Can you tell me what do you see in the picture? Can you see kites? Yes. Now, children, can you tell me, have you seen the kites flying in the sky in the evening? Do you think it is exciting to fly? Like I have seen many kites flying in the sky and they make the sky look so colorful and so beautiful. I have always wanted to fly in the sky. What about you? Do you think it will be quite exciting and interesting to fly in the sky? Do you want to fly? If given an opportunity, would you like to fly in the sky like a kite? Where would you like to go? Would you like to sit on a tree or on a mountain, or maybe you would like to fly besides a bird? Now, what do you see, children? There are a lot of balloons flying in the sky. Do you want to join them and go to the sky and maybe sit next to the clouds? I think it is very interesting that maybe if we could go to the sky along with the balloon. Now today, children, we will be learning a poem about a small boy whose name is Timothy Boone. Now we will see what does he tell us about in this poem. Timothy Boone bought a balloon, blue as the sky, round as the moon. Now I will try to make it fly up to the moon, higher than high, Timothy said, nodding his head. Now children, Timothy Boone, he bought a balloon, and what was the color of the balloon? Blue. And the balloon was as round as the moon. Now I will try to make it fly up to the moon, higher than high. Now Timothy is saying that he wants to make the balloon fly up to the moon, that is high and high above. Timothy said all this while nodding his head. Nodding means moving his head from side to side. Timothy Boone sent his balloon up through the skies, up to the moon. But a strong breeze stirred in the trees, rocked the bright moon, tossed the great seas, and with its mirth shook the whole earth. Now children, Timothy sent his balloon up through the skies to the moon. But a strong breeze, that's a very strong wind, it stirred in the trees, it made the trees go here and there, rocked the bright moon, it even made the moon move, tossed the great seas, the water in the seas, it was going up and down. And with its mirth is the way of laughing. And with its mirth shook the whole earth. The breeze was so strong, children, and it was laughing so loudly that the whole earth was shaking. And in this scenario, Timothy Boone, he went with his balloon up to the skies. Timothy Boone